Right then, the odds are against me. Well, by that I mean the weather. Fabulous. Just about to go out. I'm gonna have to lie down and get underneath the car. A few people have pointed towards, I put a little post on a Skoda forum yesterday. A few people have pointed towards the bottom radiator fan connection plug. It's about the only thing I haven't unplugged. And a few people have said that they've had the exact same symptoms as me, and that has turned out to be the problem. So we're back outside. It's wet as hell. I'm gonna jack this corner up because it's in there. So yeah. Right, so just for reference, we're going in passenger wheel up. And that is so say Mr. Offensive for now. It looks a bit dry to me, but we're gonna rip it open and have a little blast anyway. Can't do no harm, can it? Inside that tire's looking a bit shit as well. Right, so we're live on the floor, led down in the rain. So I was fighting and fighting and fighting. I've managed to pop this off. I don't know if that just came live on camera. Let me give this lens a little wipe. Right, so I don't know what the focus is like on this thing. It is absolutely pouring water out. That is not having a good time, is it? Fair play, everyone. I don't know if that's the main problem here, but looking good, isn't it? There's literally mud in there. Actual fresh mud. Sorry guys, don't mind me, just lead on the floor. If this fixes this, I'll be over the moon. I've had a battery drain for ages. Don't mind. Sorry everyone. I always can't help but feel like I'm right in the way here. But needs must, guys. That is literally caked in crap. Right, to be honest, I want to give it one last little spray out, and then I'm going to leave it for a little bit to drip dry. That can't have done any harm, guys, and it must have done a world of good. Right, so I don't know how clear any of this footage will be. But it's still a bit grimmer now. I'm going to work it a little bit more. But it is night and day better. It's not pouring sludge out anymore. Right, so hopefully you can see. Oh, I'm just plugging it back in. Feel pretty shit. Fire it up, I guess. See what the crack is. Oh, earlier on the coolant pads were coming on straight away. Gonna let her warm up, see what the crack is. Fingers crossed, hopefully they don't come on and I could go for a drive. Like I said, they were on straight away this morning as soon as I started the car. Right, so we're stone cold at the moment, fans off. We're just starting to warm up now. Next little job is I got a PCV return pipe coming because we've got this ultimate pod here. She's bent to atmosphere because of my, obviously that. I've got a boost cap coming from China. Right, so the GoPro's dead. I got all excited. I thought I fixed it, but it turns out I haven't fixed it. We're nowhere near at the temperature still. Again. And the fans are flying. So another elimination, but it still wasn't that. I'm freezing, I'm soaking wet. I've been rolling around on the floor. My fans are kicking off. I'm going to disconnect my battery and go and have a shower.